In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Docusign subscription and account once and for all with our ultimate guide for 2024. Whether you're looking to cut costs or no longer need the service, I'll guide you through this process step by step. First, let's get started by opening your browser and navigating to Docusign's website. Docusign is renowned for its electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. So if this is your first time canceling a service on their platform, don't worry. We'll walk through it together confidently. Once you're on the website, you'll notice the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click it and enter your account credentials, just like you do every time you access your dashboard. If you've forgotten your details, there are options to retrieve or reset your password, so you don't have to stress. After successfully signing in, head over to the Docusign home, which is your main hub for all your account management and signature tasks. It's usually a click away in the navigation bar at the top of the page. Once at home, your next stop is the admin section. You'll find this option in the navigation menu. This area is the control center for your subscription and billing information. It's where the magic of cancellation happens. Within the admin panel, locate the plan and billing section. This is where you can review your current subscription details and make any necessary changes. Clicking on Plan and Billing is crucial because it will bring up everything you need to finalize your cancellation. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions to manage your subscription and ultimately choose to cancel it. It's important to read each pop-up carefully to avoid any unintended changes. Remember, canceling your subscription might mean you lose immediate access to the features you currently enjoy, so make sure you've backed up any documents or data you might need before proceeding. A quick tip: take note of any confirmation messages or emails during this process. They serve as a record of your cancellation in case you need to reference it in future communications with Docusign, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll have effectively canceled your Docusign subscription and account. I'm glad to guide you through this process today, and if there's anything else you need help with, feel free to reach out in the comments. Thanks for watching, and take care. Happy signing.